Hello friends, yesterday I was on a trip of mountains. Actually we were making a vlog for our other YouTube channel in Urdu language. So I remained busy yesterday and I did not get the time to make a video for English language channel. So today I thought that I should make a video and I should discuss my yesterday trip also and some other things so that you will improve your English language easily. Actually, when I was making the vlog for another channel yesterday, I was thinking that I should do some travels, some vlog type tours where you will find the beautiful locations and you will also improve the English language. Because on which location we will be, then we will talk about that locations, the surroundings areas, such as yesterday we were on a mountainous area and we were enjoying a lot, and at that time we could see in front of us the glaciers covered with the snow and a beautiful look there. So whenever we on a beautiful locations, we can discuss the things in that surrounding and whereabouts of those things. In this way, I think you will improve more vocabulary, more words, new words, because when we are on a new locations, there might be the new things which we will discuss. And in this way you will come to know the new words, new sentences, and this will help you to improve your English in more and better way and more effectively. And I was thinking about that, and I will make the plan to visit on different places to discuss those places, and so that you will improve your English language in more better way, in advanced level. Actually, when we make videos while sitting in our studios or in the same place, then we will have to discuss on the same topic, such as I'm discussing on how to improve your English language, how to build your vocabulary, and how to make better your skills of English language and spoken English language. Whenever we will visit on different places, on different locations, we will talk about those locations and the surroundings of those locations and the objects, things those are. We can talk on those things, discuss in detail. In this way, you will come to know the new words, new sentences, and new vocabulary would come. And I'm making this plan in next of some of times. After some time, I think, in my next videos, I will make such type of videos also. And for that, I need your suggestions, feedback, your comments, and are you willing to do such kind of things with me, or you are willing to watch videos while sitting on the same place, or you are willing to watch videos while traveling. Our topic will be the same, improve the English language, but we will travel. In this way you will come to know about different places, different locations, and also our main motive, that is the English language, improving our words, our vocabulary, our sentence formation skills. That will also be available, and we will also increase our skills. In this way, I'm thinking and I'm planning and thinking about the places where I should visit, the beautiful places. Actually, right now the winter season is, and it is sometimes difficult to go outside because of some cool weather. But when the weather will be pleasant, then we will do this plan and we will do according to our thinking. And in this way, you will increase your vocabulary. And also, I suggest you that whenever you are in leisure, then read some books of English language, some spoken language books, and some sentences such as in dialogue forms. Those two persons, those are discussing with each others. In this way, you will come to know the spoken English. And you can also read the prose, and with that it is very necessary to read English, or to speak English, or to listen English in spoken style, such as you can watch videos on YouTube. 2 or 3 people are talking with each other, discussing on any topic, and other videos. You can also listen the speeches of some people. All type of videos. When you will watch all kinds of videos, then it will be easy for you to improve your English vocabulary, English language. And because whenever you quit learning, then it will be difficult for you. Because in previous days, for some days, I did not make the video. And then after some days, when I started to make the videos, started to speak the English language, I was feeling a little difficulty, because with the gap of some days, I was doing some other job, I was doing work for my other channel, so that I was speaking the language, my national language. I did not speak the English language for some days. So when I was making a video for my English language channel, then I was feeling a little difficulty, because I think to improve your English language, you should be consistent. When you consistently speaking the English language, improving your English language, then it will remain in your mind, and it will be easy for you to improve your words learning skills, difficult word learning skills. When you quit, then you will feel a little difficulty while learning the language. And you know that English is a second language. Our first language we can speak easily, but when you learn another language that is not your first language, then you probably will feel some kind of problems. But when you will do your consistent work on that language, I think that slowly you will be able to get the command on that language. Don't consider that you will make yourself highly expert in this language. I think if you are speaking the language and others are understanding whatever you are saying, then it's okay. Main reason is to make others people understand. If your language is understandable, then it's okay. I think it is not necessary to speak very fast. Whenever you speak very fast, the non-native peoples feel difficulty while understanding what are you saying. For native people, I think perhaps they can understand. There may be the accent matter, but I think those who are expert in English language, they can understand all kind of accents. When you will improve yourself thoroughly, then you will be able to understand all kind of accents, whether the accent should be of American, whether the accent should be of British or any other nationality. But first of all, when you start learning the language, I suggest you that listen and watch videos of your native speakers. When you watch videos or listen videos of your native speakers, then easily you can understand what are they saying. When in beginning you start listening the American accent or British accent, then it will be difficult for you, and you will understand that, oh, it's very difficult to learn the English language. Oh, I cannot be able to learn this language. So then there might be the chances that you quit. If you want to learn English consistently, first of all, learn in your native accent. Then when you feel that right now in native accent you are able to understand the things, then start listening, watching videos of other accents. When you will watch, listen, understand the videos of all accents, then it's okay. Right now you are able to communicate in English language. I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, please like this video, subscribe this channel, so that we are uploading a lot of videos, and it will also motivate me to make more videos for you. When you will do your positive comments, those comments will give us the energy to work more further to promote our videos, our skills, and we will make more beautiful videos for you. And I hope that you will do your positive comments below in comment box, and also share this video with your other friends, suggest this channel to your other friends, and you can also write that from where you are watching this video, so that we come to know that which are the locations people are watching our videos. Hope you find useful. Right now, allow me from this video. In next video, we will talk about some other subjects regarding the English language. Till then, bye bye. Thank you. I am Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.